Hi, I am Renaye and today I'm going to teach you about prepositions. So, the definition of prepositions are the small words that usually relate two words or phrases to one another. In other meaning or in simple meaning, we can say preposition are words that join sentences together. So usually prepositions refer to place. They refer us to place, position, time, manner, or reason. Here I have four examples that I have written down to show us the preposition in each and every sentence. Sentence number one, she will meet him on lunch time. She will meet him on lunchtime. On is in green, meaning that on is our preposition. So all prepositions I have written them in green color. So in this sentence, on is our preposition. Therefore, on shows us in this sentence the time in which she is going to meet him. On is the preposition and it refers us to the time. The second sentence, my money is in my wallet. My money is in my wallet. Here the preposition is in. In is in green. Therefore, in is our preposition. What does in refer us to? So, in refer us to the place in which the wallet is. So, in shows us where the money is. Another example, he jumped into the swimming pool. He jumped into the swimming pool. Into is our preposition. Into is in green and into shows us that it 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 connects the two words. It relates he jumped and into what? The swimming pool. Into is the preposition. So something is shared among several persons. So among in this sentence is our preposition. It relates the two sentences. Something is shared among several persons. So among is the preposition in this sentence. So we have learned that the prepositions are on is the preposition. It shows us the time. It also shows us the place. In is the preposition. It shows us the place. Into it shows us the place. Among is the manner. Among is the preposition that shows us the manner. So another topic for today is conjunctions. Conjunctions are connecting words, words that join two or more sentences into a single sentence. Conjunctions are connecting words. They join two or more sentences into a single sentence. So, there is a link between conjunctions and prepositions. Hear me out. Examples of words that are conjunctions are and, although, but, because, for, however, if, or, since, so, then, though, unless, until, when, whether, while, yet. There are still many more. Here I just mentioned a few. So We are going to formulate sentences based on these conjunctions, sentences that we will join together using the conjunctions that I just mentioned here. Number one, fish and chips. And connects fish and chips. Fish and chips. And is a conjunction. It connects the two sentences. The car was fixed, but it still gave trouble. The car was fixed, but it still gave trouble. But is a conjunction here. But is the conjunction. He was in great pain, yet he never complained. He was in great pain, yet he never complained. So you can see that we have two sentences. He was in great pain, it's another sentence, it's another statement. He never complained, it's another sentence or statement. But yet is the conjunction, yet joins the two statements. Therefore, it became he was in great pain, yet he never complained. They played a soccer match, although a storm threatened. They played a soccer match, although a storm threatened. So, in this sentence, although is the connecting word. The conjunction is the conjunction. So, we said prepositions are words that relate two words or phrases to one another. They are words that join sentences. Yet conjunctions, they are connecting words. They connect a sentence to have a single meaning. Thank you for joining this lesson.